Now we are going to look at the University of Alberta University Calendar. So this is what it looks like. It's a little different than the other ones. And today we're just going to look at the undergraduate program. So again, like all of the other examples, it really outlines what you should be taking in order to gain a university degree. So we're going to look at Faculty of Science this time, a general program. And really, on here, it'll tell you on the left-hand side some more deadlines, academic information, but we're interested in what classes you should select. And right here, it tells you a general program, what you can choose from. 6 junior courses, and then it goes on to another 6 credit units of chemistry and physics courses if you're going to be a science student, and then another 2 classes that you're going to have to take, biology or earth and atmospheric sciences. So it really outlines for you, and you have to read basically what you are going to take and dig a little bit deeper into the course calendar to determine what classes you're interested in and which ones you actually need in your first year in order to be successful.